Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you are considering diving into the world of real estate investing, you're in the right place. Today we are going to discuss 7 crucial mistakes that can be incredibly costly if you're not careful. But don't worry, by the end of this video you will be armed with knowledge to make smarter investment decisions. Before we get into these pitfalls, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss our valuable financial insights. Now let's get started with mistake number 1, neglecting proper research. It's tempting to jump into an investment property quickly, but not doing your homework can be disastrous. Always research the market thoroughly. Look at historical property values, recent trends, and potential growth areas. Understand the neighborhood dynamics, crime rates, and local amenities. This research will help you make informed decisions and avoid investing in a declining market. Mistake number 2, overextending finances. It's essential to set a realistic budget and stick to it. Over-leveraging yourself with loans and debt can lead to financial disaster. Be sure to account for all expenses, including property taxes, insurance, utilities, and maintenance costs. A common mistake is underestimating these ongoing expenses, leaving you struggling to cover them later. Mistake number 3, ignoring location. The old saying, location, 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 still holds true. A great property in a poor location can spell trouble for your investment. Consider factors like proximity to schools, public transportation, shopping centers, and future developments. A thriving neighborhood can lead to higher property appreciation, while a declining market may result in lower rents and property values. Mistake number 4, skipping inspections. Cutting corners on property inspection to save money is a recipe for disaster. Always invest in a thorough inspection to uncover any hidden issues that can cost you dearly down the line. These issues might include structural problems, plumbing or electrical issues, or even hidden pest infestations. Identifying these problems early can save you from expensive repairs later. Mistake number 5, underestimating maintenance. Many investors forget to factor in ongoing maintenance costs. Properties require upkeep, so be prepared for expenses like regular repairs, landscaping, and potential renovations. Ignoring maintenance can lead to a deteriorating property that drives away tenants and reduces your property's value over time. Mistake number 6, neglecting property management. Some investors think they can handle all property management tasks themselves. However, this can be overwhelming, especially if you have multiple properties. Hiring a professional property management company is not just a convenience, it's an investment in your peace of mind. They can handle tenant screening, maintenance requests, and ensure your properties comply with local regulations, saving you time and reducing the risk of legal issues. Mistake number 7, not having an exit strategy. It's important to plan for the long term, but also be prepared for unexpected situations. What if the market changes and your investment isn't performing as expected? Having a well-thought-out exit strategy is like having a safety net. It could involve selling the property, refinancing, or even changing your investment approach. Having this plan in place helps you to adapt to changing circumstances and safeguard your financial future. Now that you know these 7 critical mistakes, I encourage you to avoid them at all costs. Real estate investment can be incredibly lucrative, but it requires careful planning and due diligence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more valuable real estate tips and financial insights. Thank you for joining us today as we discuss these 7 costly real estate investment mistakes in more details. Remember, success in real estate comes with knowledge and careful decision making. By avoiding these pitfalls, you are well on your way to a prosperous real estate investment journey. Until next time, stay financially savvy. We'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.